Hear the roar of the engine and screeching of tires. Powerful engine, speed and acceleration. Welcome to Alex Kids Fun! We love racing! Let's head to Western Speedway to learn all about racing. Who is your favorite racer? Auto racing, also called motor racing, is an exciting sport with a long history. It includes Grand Prix racing, speedway racing, stock car racing, sports car racing, drag racing, midget car racing, karting, as well as hill climb. 3, 2, 1. Oh my God, let's go! Come on. 3, 2, 1, go! Yeah! Organized automobile competition or reliability test took place in 1894 in France from Paris to Rouen. In 1895, the first true race was held in France from Paris to Bordeaux and back. Is a super fast car. When we go to the races, we see incredible speed, hear the roar of the engine, and screeching of tires. Powerful engine, speed and acceleration, wheels, size, and weight are all key features. Super fast race cars can go through corners at high speeds. It is all about aerodynamics. The goal of aerodynamics is to generate downforce. Think of it as a force that pushes the tires harder into the ground. Now this one looks pretty cool. Wow, this one has a lot of smooshes. Ooh, wow, this one looks like it'll go very fast. Ooh, I wonder what happened to this one's glass. Whoa, this one's super shiny. Wow, look at this car. The colors are so bright. Wow, look at the bumps on this one. Look at this one's shape. It's so cool. cars are driven extremely hard for a short period of time, then rebuilt for the next race as they are pushed to the limits. Get ready. Lena, get yours. Okay, get ready. Set, go! Winner! Ready? 3, 2, 1, slow!
Oh, he's washing them in.
So good, Unburn. Come on, Benji. Who said cats don't like racing?